Hello everyone, this is KS for General Graphics channel, and now time to working with Adobe Illustrator tools. Let's start. First, change your workspace to painting and change your toolbar from basic to advanced. This is the professional and complete toolbar. The first thing is very important is selection. We have two kind of selection. The first is direct selection, another one is selection. The shortcut is V and another one is A. How you can work with it: when you draw ellipse like this, or you want to control this shape, select your selection. You can control this, or you can rotate like this. And the primary shortcut is for controlling, this is Alt Shift, or you want to control the point, this point, you just select direct selection. This is the controlling of shape. Or you control the handles in normal. You can control the both handle, or you want to control just one handle, press Alt from keyboard, control just one handle. And there is group selection. Delete again and draw a small ellipse, press Alt and mouse click and Shift in one line and press Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. Select all of them and select the fill, select your color and press Alt, mouse click and Shift, change this color. Ctrl G for group, Ctrl G, or go to object, this is group, Ctrl G. And now if you move the one or the first ellipse, all of this is moving. Or you want to move just one of them, go to group selection, move just one. Or you want to select by colors, this is the magic wand. Select all of green, select all of orange colors. This is magic wand. And lasso selection is select custom. Which one of ellipse you want to select and which one you want to deselect. And another one, the very important, the next step is pen. The pen, there is three options. And select your pen, draw, click, click, and there press your mouse button, draw and go back there, click and close. This is the planned corner and this is the desired smooth drawing. At normal, if you move your pen there, you can delete. And normal, you can add, and there press Alt with mouse click, this is convert. Again Alt, mouse click, you can change from plan to smooth. And this shortcut is belongs to these options: add, delete, anchor point, convert. How you can draw your own shapes. Okay, this is the pen. You can draw a rectangle like this, and this is the difference between curvature pen and pen. Curvature pen, if you want to draw a rectangle, you can't, because the curvature pen is working like this. And another one is drawing a line, press Shift and go to stroke color, and there is the size of a stroke, there is a style, there is design of a stroke, which design you want. Delete. and there is arc. The shortcut keys of this arc line, down and up arrow keys. This is down arrow keys, and this is up arrow keys. Delete, and there is spiral. Press Ctrl shortcuts. You can control the line scales, and this is up arrow keys and down arrow keys. Delete. Another one is rectangle grid. There is just two shortcuts: up arrow keys, down arrow keys, right arrow keys, left arrow keys. Another one, polar grid, up arrow keys, down arrow keys, and there is right to left arrow keys. There is a lot of type tool. The first type tool, you can create a text box, and another one, you want to type in shape, area type there. And the last type is type on a path, like this. And the anothers, you can type in vertical. You can type in shape and vertical. And what is the last type tool? Touch type. You can edit your paragraph, you can edit your word, you can edit like this. Okay, what's next? The next paintbrush, blob mesh. There I have ellipse, and I have just one color, that's fill. You can change the fill color, or you want to make a stroke for this, then turn on stroke color and change the size. And the paintbrush blob mesh or blob brush is, this is a stroke and this is drawing a fill. When you select the ellipse tool, there I have two color. The first is a stroke and the blue is fill, and there is paintbrush just stroke, and there is blob brush, this is just fill. The most important thing is the paintbrush is working with pen tablet, Wacom pen tablet, for drawing, for make a shape, and you can select from there, turn off new art as basic, and select there your paintbrush style. Where is Bristol brush? There is Bristol brush. Okay, close this window and close this window. There is the eraser tool, knife, scissors. If you want to cut or erase, the difference is you can erase like this, or you want to cut from there. This is the start point and this is the end point. The difference is there is with the stroke cut it, and this have no stroke. And there is knife, you can cut with stroke like this. Okay, this is rectangle. Control A, select all and delete rectangle. There is the corner to make round, and this is ellipse, polygon, up arrow key, down arrow key, and this is stars, up arrow key, down arrow key. Press Ctrl on keyboard. You can control your star like this. And the last shape is lens flare. The lens flare color is dynamic. Dynamic mean the lens flare color is belong to your background. What's your background color? The white background color is the lens flare color like this. If your background is blue, it's maybe different. And there is the last tool of selection, shaper. How you can work with shaper? There I have a lot of ellipse with different colors like this, different colors like this. And now I want to cut from there. Select your stroke color and select all, and then go to shaper tool. You can work with shaper like this one, and delete the all shapes, then go to pencil. The very important tools for drawing is pencil. You can select your design, your style, your size. If you want to draw again in normal or default, then go back to appearance and go to option and turn on new art basic. If you want to join this 2 point of line, go back to pencil tool and select join tool, and the shortcut key is Ctrl J. There is path and there is join, Ctrl J. If your drawing is rough, then select the smooth tool. You can smooth your line. If you want to erase, this is erase path. You can erase your line or path. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. This was the first part of Illustrator tools, and the next part in next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring the bell for support our channel. See you next time in next tutorial.